Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give you an honest review about a very famous product, which is Mamaearth Micellar Water Foaming Makeup Remover. This is my first time I'm using this product, and the reason behind buying this product was that it includes both micellar water as well as face wash, which I really wanted since long time. And as I'm using this for the first time, I will definitely give you an honest review about this product. So let's begin.
As you can see in the screen, I have put heavy makeup, I have put waterproof mascara, kajal, eyeshadow, lipstick as my blusher, and I have put lipstick which is long lasting lipstick. And at last I have applied long lasting makeup setting spray. And if you want to see this makeup, then please go through the link which I have given in the description box. And as the product says, it can remove the makeup within 1 minute, so we will check this out. Before starting the makeup removal process, I just want to give the detail about this product. This product is of plastic bottle which contains 150 ml of the liquid, and in bottle it is mentioned here it is a micellar water foaming makeup remover with rose water and glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is basically a chemical exfoliant which removes dead skin cells and make the skin look smooth and young, whereas rose water helps your skin look glowy. Let's see what other details has been given in this bottle, and this bottle says it is paraben and SLS free. Paraben is a preservative which may lead to skin irritation, inflammation, allergic reaction and rashes. The person who uses parabens can have hormonal disbalance too. And SLS is a sodium lauryl sulfate which is a foaming agent, and it is used in detergents too, and it can also be harsh and irritating to your skin, and thank god it is not included in this bottle. This product is dermatologically tested and it suits all skin types. The best part about this bottle is that it has the lid which has pump and the brush, which leads to the minimal use of the product, and you can avoid rubbing your face with the hand. Moreover, the brush available here helps your skin to get exfoliate and unclog the pores and clean it up from harmful makeup products. Let's see what is written in the back side of the bottle, and it is written here: gently exfoliates and removes makeup building. The ingredients are aqua, disodium cocoampho, diacetate, decyl glucoside, glycerin, polysorbate 2O, butylene glycol, sodium PCA, sodium metabisulfite, rose water, dipenthanol, glycolic acid, potassium sorbate, citric acid, and disodium EDTA. Directions for use: wet your face and neck with warm water, pump out foaming makeup remover, massage gently all over the face and neck with the help of built-in soft brush to remove makeup. Cleanse deeply and purify clogged pores. Tips: to clean the brush, dip it in equal part of vinegar and lukewarm water for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly with regular hand wash or body wash to remove makeup stains. Product contains natural ingredients and may change color and fragrance without losing effectiveness. Even natural ingredients can cause and trigger existing allergies. Patch test recommended. Results may vary. Store in cool and dry place and for external use only. And it is written here: plastic positive, we recycle more plastic than we use, cruelty free and make in India. Now let's see how it can be used. It has the lid which contains the brush, and brush also has the plastic cover, and we can remove this cover by clicking this clip. The brush has the bristles which is not a plastic one, which is a silicone bristles, so it will be gentle on our skin. And to use the face wash, you have to pump out like this. If you see the liquid inside the bottle, it just looks like a normal liquid face wash. So let's check out whether it will be able to remove my makeup in a minute, and it will be yay or nay product for me. So I'm tying my hair and removing my false lashes. And lashes were strongly attached to my eyes, so I was literally crying this time. Then I'm gonna remove both the lenses from my eyes and gonna start with washing my face with normal water. Then one pump and dab. Second pump and dab, and start massaging in a circular motion this way. By the way, the brush was very soft and flexible to my skin, and you can see how much I'm enjoying while doing this process. And here I am done and my skin feels squeaky clean. As per my opinion, the face wash works very well and effortlessly on my skin, and it removes all the makeup residues from my skin and makes the skin very clean and squeaky. But the bristles may leave some lipstick stains on it after removing the lipstick from your lips. And as far as the makeup residues remaining in my face is concerned, we will check this out by using toner and dry tissue paper, and let's see what will be the result. And you can see very clearly there is no other stain than the toner on my tissue paper. And if I have to choose between yay or nay product for me, then definitely it will go for a yay product for me. So hope you like this video and my review of this product. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing my channel for more such amazing reviews and makeup tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.